So that's the monomer. We already have powder in the one dish. So you dip the excess off. So you have your little bubble ball and just start painting. Basically just painting the acrylic on. Make sure you get it all over the nail. Just full strokes across the whole nail. And I prefer to file and shape the nails after I get the acrylic on because it's stronger. So when you say you're using stiletto and then you cut down, you're gonna have to go back and make more of a stiletto shape, and it just seems easier with the acrylic on to do that. So you want to go over it without clump, but several times. I also kind of test it when it dries and try to squeeze the nails from the sides to see if it moves or not, because I don't want it to move. So once the acrylic dries, you take your block on the coarse side and even it out. Brush it off the dust with the kabuki. And then the base coat. Do the entire nail. And then you cure it.
Just thin strokes, you don't have to be really thick with it. Again, then you go and you cure.
Curing time is up to you. It depends on the settings as well on your machines. On mine, you could do up to 120 seconds in a shot, or you can do 60 seconds. Just test it when you pull it out and see if it's dry. Time for the second coat. And also remember, if you don't want to use acrylic nails, you can use the base coat. Start at the base coat instruction and go from there. Base coat, color, top coat, curing all the way, and you have your natural nail with gel polish on it. And now we're ready for the top coat. I hope that those instructions were easy to follow. So much that you can do with your nails again and have fun with it, and be the one to care for yourself in these stressful moments, and just have time to yourself. So I hope you enjoyed it, and again, if you have questions, leave it below. Again, I'm not a professional nail tech. This is just what works for me, and I am happy with my end result, and it is from watching the professionals that I did learn a lot of this stuff. See you in my next video. Bye.